welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the top ways you can make money online easily in 2025. We're talking about real practical methods that anyone can use to start building a side hustle or even a full-time income from their laptop. Now I know what you're thinking, Mr. Beast, is this for real? And the answer is yes. The internet has opened up so many opportunities to make money, and I'm hyped to break them down for you guys. We're going to be covering everything from freelancing to crypto to starting your own YouTube channel. Stick around because we're going to be dropping some serious knowledge bombs throughout this video. You don't want to miss out. First up, let's talk about the remote work revolution. Companies are realizing that they can find amazing talent all over the world, and that means more and more jobs are going remote. Think about it, you can work from anywhere with a Wi-Fi connection. And if you've got skills, freelancing platforms like Upwork and Fiverr make it easier than ever to find clients and get paid for your work. Whether you're a writer, a designer, a programmer, or anything in between, there's a freelance gig out there for you. The best part? You get to be your own boss. Set your own hours, work from your couch in your pajamas. The freedom is awesome. Next up, let's talk about the world of online courses and digital products. Are you an expert at something? I bet you are. Everyone's got a passion, and you can turn that passion into profit by creating and selling online courses or digital products like ebooks, templates, or presets. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable make it super simple to create and sell your courses, and you can reach a global audience. Imagine teaching thousands of people from around the world and making money while you sleep. That's the power of digital products. Plus, you're helping people level up their skills and knowledge, which is a pretty awesome feeling. Chapter 3. Crypto and NFTs, the future is now. Okay, let's talk about the future of money, cryptocurrencies and NFTs. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, so don't take this as financial advice, but crypto and NFTs are changing the game. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum have exploded in popularity, and while they can be volatile, they offer a new way to invest and grow your wealth. NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, are unique digital assets that represent ownership of things like digital art, collectibles, and even virtual real estate. It's a wild west out there, but if you do your research and invest responsibly, crypto and NFTs could be a lucrative way to make money online in 2025. Chapter 4. Lights, Camera, YouTube. Now, this wouldn't be a Mr. Beast video if I didn't talk about YouTube, right? Starting a YouTube channel or a podcast is an incredible way to share your passions, connect with people around the world, and potentially make a ton of money. Whether you're into gaming, beauty, finance, or anything in between, there's an audience out there for you. The key is to create high-quality content that provides value to your viewers. Be entertaining, be informative, be yourself, and most importantly, be consistent. It takes time to grow an audience, but with hard work, dedication, and a little bit of luck, you could be the next YouTube sensation. Chapter 5. Affiliate Marketing and Dropshipping. Easy wins. Finally, let's talk about two of the most accessible ways to make money online. Affiliate marketing and dropshipping. With affiliate marketing, you promote other people's products and earn a commission on any sales you generate. It's that simple. Find products you love, share them with your audience, and boom, you're making money. Dropshipping is similar, but instead of promoting products, you're actually selling them. The best part? You don't have to handle any inventory. You create an online store, partner with a dropshipping supplier, and they handle all the storage and shipping. It's a low-risk, high-reward business model that's perfect for beginners. Outro now, go make some money. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content like this. We covered a ton of ground today, but this is just the beginning. There are so many ways to make money online in 2025, and the opportunities are only going to grow in the future. So what are you waiting for? Pick a method that resonates with you, put in the work, and start building your online empire. See you next time.